Finding the perfect gaming keyboard can be frustrating, especially when you want one that looks sleek and performs well. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Mage-Gi K1 RGB Keyboard. The Mage-Gi K1 RGB LED backlit keyboard and mouse combo, priced at just $26.99. What caught my attention here is its ergonomic design and stunning RGB backlighting. If you want a solid entry-level option that looks good and feels comfortable, this is worth a serious look. The K1 features a full-size layout with 104 keys, so you won't miss out on any essential functions. The floating keycaps not only look modern, but are also designed for easy cleaning, making your gaming setup both functional and stylish. And let's not forget about the RGB backlighting. It offers 8 colors and 5 light modes, which means you can customize the look to match your setup. This matters because a well-lit keyboard can enhance your gaming experience, especially during late-night sessions. Now, some users have mentioned that the build quality feels a bit cheap and the keys can feel a bit stiff initially. Here's the thing though, if you're on a budget and just starting out, this isn't going to ruin your experience. It's a great stepping stone into the world of gaming keyboards. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, no-frills gaming keyboard that still looks great. Skip this one if you're a hardcore gamer who needs something more advanced with customizable features. At this price, it offers fantastic value for money. Now, if the budget-friendly approach of the K1 isn't quite what you're after, let's check out the next option with a more compact design. Product number 2, TMKB 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, retailing for $29.99. I was drawn to its compact design and the responsive red switches. If you're looking for something portable that doesn't compromise on performance, this one deserves your attention. The TMKB keyboard features a 60% layout, which is fantastic for saving desk space while providing all the essential keys you need. It uses ultra-responsive linear red switches that require only 45 G of force to actuate, allowing for rapid keystrokes, perfect during those intense gaming sessions. Plus, with 15 dynamic LED backlighting modes, you can customize your keyboard's look to fit your mood. Here's why this matters. When you're gaming, having a keyboard that responds quickly and feels good can be the difference between victory and defeat. However, some users have mentioned that the lack of dedicated function keys can be a little annoying, but if you're comfortable using function layers, it's a minor issue that you can easily adapt to. It's still an excellent option for those who want a sleek, portable keyboard. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel or need a keyboard that fits in smaller spaces without sacrificing performance. Skip this one if you're someone who prefers a full-sized keyboard for heavy typing tasks. For the price, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who crave a mechanical experience. Product number 3, Ala F75 Pro Wireless Keyboard. The Ala F75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is next, priced at $69.99. What really caught my eye is its tri-mode connectivity and hot swappable keys. If you want versatility in how you connect and customize your keyboard, this is definitely worth considering. This keyboard can connect via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or USB-C, allowing you to switch between devices seamlessly. You can connect up to 5 devices at once, which is phenomenal for multitaskers. Plus, its hot swappable feature means you can easily change out the switches without any soldering, which is great for those who like to fine-tune their setup. Here's why this matters. Having the ability to customize both the feel and function of your keyboard can enhance your gaming experience and comfort. However, some users have reported that the battery life can be a bit shorter than expected. Here's my take. If you're using it heavily in wired mode, it's not a deal breaker, but if you want it for wireless gaming, you might need to keep an eye on battery levels. It's still one of the more flexible options out there. This is perfect for you if you're a gamer who uses multiple devices or enjoys customizing your keyboard experience. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward plug-and-play option without the need for customization. For what you get, the value is pretty impressive. Now, if the wireless functionality of the Ala caught your interest, wait until you see the next product, which really takes customization to the next level. Product number 4. HUOJI Z99 Creamy Mechanical Keyboard. The Huoji Z99 Creamy Mechanical Keyboard, priced at $49.99, I was intrigued by its hot swappable design and sound dampening features. If you want a mechanical keyboard that offers a premium feel at a reasonable price, keep watching. This keyboard comes with a 99-key layout while maintaining full functionality, which is a huge plus for gamers who want to save desk space. It features hot swappable switches, so you can easily replace them without any soldering, which is perfect if you're looking to personalize your typing experience. The gasket structure with sound-absorbing foam really impressed me, as it reduces noise significantly, making it great for both gaming and typing in quieter environments. Here's why this matters. A quieter keyboard means you can focus on your game without distractions. On the downside, some users noted that it may not have the same premium build quality as more expensive models, but honestly, for the price and features, you're still getting a fantastic keyboard that performs well under pressure. This is perfect for you if you enjoy customizing your keyboard and want something that sounds great while gaming. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end luxury feel. For the cost, it's an excellent value. Now, if you want something that's not only functional but also looks stunning, you'll want to check out the final product on our list. Product number 5, the Wamier SK80 75% keyboard, also priced at $49.99. The unique multimedia display and elegant design really caught my attention. If you're someone who values aesthetics and functionality, this keyboard is a must-see. The Wamier SK80 features a vibrant color multimedia screen that can display custom images, connection modes, and even volume levels. It's like having a mini display right on your keyboard. Plus, its gasket-mounted design enhances typing comfort and reduces noise, making it perfect for both gaming and work. The hot swappable capability allows for easy customization, giving you the freedom to experiment with different switches. Here's why this matters. A keyboard that not only performs well but also looks good can enhance your overall gaming setup. However, some users felt the multimedia display could be a bit gimmicky, but here's my perspective. If you appreciate aesthetics and enjoy customizing your setup, it adds a fun element that can make your gaming experience more enjoyable. This is perfect for you if you love to showcase your setup and want a keyboard that combines style with performance. Skip this one if you prefer something plain and straightforward. Given its features, it's a solid investment. Now that we've covered all 5 keyboards, let's wrap it up.
To quickly compare all 5 keyboards, the MageKey K1 is a budget-friendly choice. The TMKB 60% is great for portability. The AULA F75 Pro offers wireless flexibility. The HUOJI Z99 has excellent sound dampening, and the Wamier SK80 stands out for its multimedia display.